Today let us see how to use the substitute function. Equal to, going to type substitute, open the brackets. It shows ask the text. This is the text that which you are going to work on, comma, and the whole text. The whole text is going to be base, comma, new text. Here, okay, I'm going to add one more space here. I'm going to replace it with a space and then base, and then close the brackets, enter. See here, the one more space here, the two spaces are added in this text, where in the previous one it was only one space. And if not, to make it very clear, we can replace this base with some other word, print book, and then enter. It will replace the base with book. And let us take this example and see. Yeah, you can also use this one. Click fx function here. It will show a box like this, where in which you can search for the functions. Here you will, if you enter, you'll get this. Click OK. It will give you a box like this, in which you can keep typing. The text that which we are going to work is this one. The whole text is going to be base. The new text is going to be book, and the instance this one is optional. Give OK. It will give you print book. So this according to your convenience. If you want that box to appear, you have to click fx, the function here.